Sometimes, the joint formed using soldering has extra filler metal and uneven finish. We need to clean the solder joint when it is completely solidified. The solder joint can be easily cleaned by sandpaper or abrasive cloth. Recall that the next step after cleaning the joint is inspecting the joint. We need to examine the joint visually for any cracks and pinholes. Much like brazing, nitrogen leak test can also be used for checking soldered joint. Recall that before starting nitrogen leak detection test, the system must be isolated. For isolating the system, turn off the system and close all the valves connected to the piping. Recall that we use purging in brazing to remove impurities inside the pipe. As the soldering temperature is lower than the temperatures for brazing, soldering does not oxidize the inside of a copper pipe. So, we don't need to purge the pipe with gas when we are soldering. The stepwise process for soldering the joint is as follows: cleaning the joint, fluxing the joint, heating the joint, and applying filler metal. Cleaning and nitrogen leak test is carried out to inspect leak present in the pipe joint.